Disney's Popcentury Resort is under refurbishment, but how much construction is actually happening? The night I stayed there, rooms were about $225 a night. So the question is, during the refurb, is Popcentury still worth it? And hey, if this video adds value to your Disney trip planning, come to disneybudget.com. I put all the video walkthroughs, PDFs, the basics in one place to help families plan smarter and save money. When you step off the Skyliner, here's the layout. Everything is walkable. You've got the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s buildings all circling the main pool and the lake. The pathways are wide and easy to navigate with strollers. Super simple layout for families. The main pool is open, no construction here at all. Big, colorful fun, exactly what kids want.
What kind of dinosaur are you trying to bring that picture?
Pedal's pool bar is fully open too. It had a small refurb earlier in the year, but everything is back and running normally. This is the shot you saw on the thumbnail. The Popcentury exterior looks great. No construction outside I can see anywhere. One thing I love about Pop is the energy. Big icons, fun colors, and easy access.
Okay.
Even the bus loop is well organized. So let's head inside. Inside the lobby, the only construction I saw was this. Black drapes on one side of the hall. No noise, no tools, no activity, just a visual cover. Everything else is fully operational.
This is where they're working. Right here. This is condensed. I don't know what's on there.
The food court is fully open, plenty of options, fair prices, and the new Joffrey's coffee stand is great for mornings.
Mac, pizza, chicken, salmon, shrimp. Magic Kingdom.
Outside again, the bus system is running smoothly. Popcentury doesn't share buses with the All-Stars, so you get direct routes, and that's a nice bonus.
Next one, Magic Kingdom, Epcot, 115. Not Disney's not really animal, Disney type of clothes.
Walking through the room buildings, I didn't see any crews, tools, or blocked areas. Even with the refurb happening, Disney handles it building by building with very little guest impact. Everything feels clean, bright, and calm. If you didn't know Pop was being refreshed, you honestly might not realize anything was happening. And this brings us back toward the Skyliner. For many families, this convenience alone makes Popcentury a top value pick.
Please remain seated, supervise children, and refrain from smoking in the cabins. Thank you.
One. Thank
As we glide out of the resort, here's my honest take. Popcentury feels more like it's quietly upgrading, not a resort under construction. It's definitely worth it at this price, and I think even more. The Skyliner is huge. Popcentury looks great. Here are a few quick takeaways. Rooms are being updated, but guest impact is tiny. All amenities are open. The lobby and food court are refreshed. Transportation is excellent. For most families, Popcentury is still one of the best value resorts on Disney property. refurb chaos, honestly, Pop Century is still worth it.
Chicken and pop.